A friend of mine lent me a toy, but I have to give it back soon. I really like this toy, so I'm going to make one with my 3D printer. Then I can return it and still play with it. First, let's talk about what kind of toy is this. The name of this toy is Kendama. The Kendama is a traditional wooden toy from Japan. The game that consists of catching the ball with the handle while performing technical and fun tricks. Kendama is a skill toy. It's a lot of fun to play with and good for increasing our hand-eye coordination. It consists of a handle, can, a pair of cups, sarado, a ball, tama, that are connected together by a string. There is a couple of different parts to the actual can. There is a big cup, small cup, and the base cup, and also the spike. There are 4 basic grips of the kendama. Once we learn the basic grips, we can try a few tricks. Moving our knees properly is the key to success for all of these tricks. Kendama is a Japanese version of the classic cup and ball toy. And it's also a variant of the French cup and ball toy bilboquet. According to historical literature, it's believed that kendama grew out of cup and ball type toys. The first type is known by variety of names worldwide, though in many English-speaking countries simply as cup and ball. In Germany, for example, it's known as Fang die Kugel. The second type was popular in 16th century France, and it's called as bilboquet. In Spanish and Portuguese-speaking nations, it has been known as balero, bilboquet, emboquet, coca, and perinola. The cup and ball toy were introduced to Japan and is first mentioned in the old Japanese literature around 777. The Nichigetsu ball, sun and moon ball was invented in Hiroshima. A patent application was made in 1918 and registered in 1919. From this concept comes the modern kendama. It was based on the shape of bilboquet type cup and ball with an added cross piece called a sarado. This ingenious modification allowed the introduction of lots of new tricks. This helped capture people's hearts and imaginations to play with this awesome toy. How did I make my kendama? First I measured my original toy and made a blueprint. I also collected some informations from the internet. Fortunately, this toy is well documented and a lot of information is available. Then I modeled the parts of the toy with a 3D software. This is the part of the project that I enjoy the most because I love to work with 3D softwares. I made some modifications and customizations as I wanted to create my own version of this fantastic toy. I 3D printed the parts with my small Quiddy 3D printer. Once the pieces were ready, I assembled the toy. Then I painted it to make even more beautiful. I'm very happy because now I have my own Kendama and I can return the original one to my friend. Even if I lose it, I can always print a new one. If you also want to print this toy, then you can find it on my website. I wish you happy printing. Thanks for watching.